Okay, now we're going to do something a little bit different than we did on the last time. What we're going to do now is we're going to make a different product. So we have this Belgian Strong Ale, 9.1% alcohol. We can take the exact same ingredients that we used to make Belgian 9.1% alcohol, use less sugar, giving the yeast less food, thereby making less alcohol. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do that right now. We're going to add a row. We're going to give variant number 3, and this is going to be, we'll call it weak delirium. And what we're going to do here is we'll look at our worts, and now we're going to make a 5.1% alcohol beer here, and this is going to be 5 gallons. We'll go to our input products, and what we're going to do is we're going to take these the sugars, which is in our step number 3 here. You got 7.5 pounds of this extra light dry malt. We're going to create a new engineering change order, and we're going to call this T-100 weak. We'll call it that. Okay. Make lower alcohol golden. Okay, let's call it that. And now we're going to insert into our formula right around here, extra light malt. We're going to insert there our new line, which will have us using the extra light malt, but instead of 7.5 pounds, we're going to use 4 pounds, giving us less sugars, and then allowing us to make a completely different product. Now, we're going to scroll over here, and now we see our third variant shows up here. So just as we did before, we'll click through all the ingredients that this is going to use. Okay, so what we can see here is instead of using the 7.5 pounds, which the previous 2 formulas used to make the 9.1% alcohol, we're not going to use that. Instead of using that, we are down here. We're going to be using these 4 pounds of sugars instead. And we're not going to use the Challenger hop. We're going to use the standard original hop, which was the Styrian Goldings hop. And that will give us the correct formula for making our weak 5.1% alcohol beer. We'll check our consistency here. Everything's consistent, and that's all we need to do to make a lower alcohol beer with exactly the same ingredients from our bill of material. Thank you.